My beautiful and amazing people, where una dey? Make una come out o, make una come hear update. Omo, wonders dey say e no fit ever end o. Nothing wey dis eye go see wey go make am comot wetin pass tears. My people, Natasha don come up again with another one o. Even when Two-Face don publicly talk am say him no dey find trouble again. You see him, you see wahala. He no dey look for am again. Say na focusing level na im dey, how to better himself and make his children proud. Na im wan dey do now. That day he was saying it, I believe Natasha will be watching it when he talk am on stage with AY. So many people dey laugh, they no understand wetin Two-Face dey try talk because they say na eye wey see 99, na im no go pray to see 100 because for inside that 100, a lot really dey o. My people, una know the whole drama na wey happen for show where they invite Two-Face come for Abuja. Say the person wan do im lodge opening. At the end of the day, no be small scene. Na im Natasha come there, come create. But last, Two-Face make sure say im package her well. He carry her enter the club, perform finish before im run for im dear life. Because he know say, after the party, yo. After the party, yo. Say he go red for im enemy if he no run for im dear life. Na so he take run o, go back to Lagos with im leg dey touch im backside. Now, as Natasha see am say, omo, Two-Face eye finally don clear o. Say this one no be before wey im mama go say e dey look for am. After some minutes, she go find am, catch am. They go start all over again. This time around, even after seeing him, even after saying she want to create a scene, even after dragging him, making him look at her in the eyes, he still publicly tell her say he is no longer interested, that he has done so many wrongs to people around ever since he met her, that he is not ready to do those things again. He's not ready to put shame and disgrace for im family again. Say he don do like that. Na man im be, im don try. So, according to the information right now, wey make me talk am say, Natasha don kolo mentus on top of Two Baba head o. If dem no catch Natasha, omo, she go run enter street o. She go kolo enter street last. Because the one wey she wan do that day for that club, na small remain. They say Natasha bin wan naked. Say anything wey go happen, make e happen. But as e be say, the love wey she get for Two Baba no be here own. Na im Two Baba say, na the one wey go come disgrace me for food wey I don chop before wey my eye no reach am. No, e no go work like that. Make I package you well. Even though the man wey call Two Baba, the owner of the lodge, was angry. But at the end of the day, they know how to settle their thing. Last, they say, according to Gistlover, wey dey always dey come give us legit of all legit, wey be say, if Gistlover tell us say na like this, at the end of the day, then those people wey she talk about, either they go come debunk or they go come talk one thing wey go make am look say truth dey am. Na im Gistlover bring this one again o. According to Gistlover now, saying that Natasha don dey go call Two Baba. Wetin happen wey e dey call Two Baba and im family, saying that na now she truly get belle for Two Baba. Say that one, that time, she don accept that she was she true she buy pikin. And I know say the family don talk am say Natasha go buy pikin, all in the name of say she wan tame Two Baba. She wan hold am down because im like pikin. Im no wan hear anything wey go be say im pikin at the end of the day they no come born am, or something happen, or they comot belle for am or something. He no like am. Na Father Abraham na im be. He be lover of children. Anything at all wey you woman wan do, in as well as say you talk say you get belle, Two-Face go stand by you. He no go leave you. Na where im better small be that o. So as they say pikin no resemble Two Baba, e no even resemble the Two Mama. Last, when they check am, They say no, 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 no. DNA is needed. Now there they come they do their findings. They go. They can't go find out the hospital wey sell pikin carry give Natasha allegedly, according to the story. At the end of the day, she be no hungry. She be no hungry. Now as e be say she don finally wan hold two baba for neck, she say she don gree now, say true true she buy that one, but now gangan she don get belle for two baba. Make two baba come o, make dem even do DNA for this one wey she carry, say she is not lying. My people, hey, trap don finally catch the hungry mouse. So before you were not pregnant, allegedly o, according to Instablog and according to Gistlover. So before you were not pregnant, you formulate pregnancy finish, go buy pikin finish, come carry one come put am for on top of two baba head so that e no go anywhere. Hey, omo, if desperation was a person, nothing wey my gender dem no go fit do. Now she say she don truly don get the belle, but two baba no even wan send her work again. He don already tear race, him leg dey touch him yansh. He don go back Lagos because he no want drama. At this point in time, I no sure say even if you wan pay two baba 100 billion naira, I no sure say him go gree come Abuja or go Benin again, because him bin don talk am say him and Benin no be am, wey people for in crowd dey talk am say no, Benin no be say everybody na like that for Benin o, abeg come Benin o. He say he no dey go Benin again. That is, the brother was not wrong when he said it, that two baba, some places wey be say on a normal day if you call two baba will never want to go. Na im Natasha dey carry two baba dey go. Places wey be say e no fit ever gree, na there na im Natasha dey carry two baba dey go. Dey make am dey do so many things, not knowing that he was not on his right senses. He was never himself. Now food wey him go chop, come chop meat join am, now bone don hook am for neck. If no be God wey use him family take set am free, the one wey two baba put himself, 10 years from now e for never dey alright. But Natasha too, she never believe that all of a sudden, like the thing go come too sudden like this. She never believe. She was still believing, still thinking that me I go still enjoy and dey go, nothing dey sup, nothing dey mega, na me dey on board, na me dey in charge. But last wey make dem talk am say, in as much as God still exists, no power wey fit overshadow God's power, and nothing wey God no fit do. What God they say cannot do does not exist. Once the time is right and God ready for you, say your time don reach for you to be exposed, nothing for this life wey you go ever do wey you no go sha be exposed. Na im be this one. So as God don talk am say Natasha cup don full, say you see now she is going down, and truly see am now. If truly say true now say she don get belle now, because she dey call their two baba, according to Gistlover, say make two baba come make dem do the DNA now for the pikin wey dey for her belle, say na now she truly get belle for two baba. Why you be no wait before make you get belle for her real, you go dey forge belle? If all these informations are correct, omo guys, hey, if we to say we dey for working country wey dey work, wey we say they no dey look man face, no matter your money you must definitely serve whatever it is. Natasha was supposed to be in Kirikiri by now. Yes, so they suppose carry Natasha, put her for inside Kirikiri. The hospital wey buy carry pikin give, they go put her for, they go lock the hospital, lock all of them for inside Kirikiri for an accomplice. But for where we no dey for country where they work, you can do some certain things and go scot-free, in as much as say you get the money and you can cover up your mess. Na im be this one. So just because you wan hold man, person husband, you dey go extra mile, dey do the unimaginable things wey go even implicate you, put you for Kirikiri. Na you go dey do, all because of say you love the man, you wan keep am unto which level? Even the person wey get am sef free am, because I be the person wey get am to say and no free am, you for no see am carry. E reach your turn, you wan come Colombia and only you make you hold am, make you acquire am, make you achieve am as if na achievement. But last God wey dey see the most darkest places don finally expose everything. If na true say you get the belle, this one go long go. This one go long o. You go born am o, the way others too born their own and they dey outside dey take care of am. Na so you too you go born your own make we dey see am. My people, na the matter be this o. What are your take? What do you think? Drop your opinion. What do you want 2baba to do at this point in time? Drop your opinion on the comment section and give the video a massive thumbs up. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring you the latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.